Hello students, I am Dr. Nidhi Mishra, Assistant Professor English, Govind Sarang Government Law College, Bhatapara. And today's topic for the lecture is negative sentence or how to form a negative sentence. So let's begin with the definition of a negative sentence. Negative sentence is a sentence that tells us that information given in that particular sentence is not true or is incorrect. So let's repeat the definition. Negative sentence is a sentence that tells us that information given in that particular sentence is not true or is incorrect. So here the main theme or the gist of the definition is that a negative sentence is a type of sentence which gives the information that is not true or is incorrect. It is false. Negative sentences are typically formed after adding the word not to auxiliary verb or helping verbs such as to be, am, is, are, was, were. Okay, so negative sentences are formed after adding the word not. Remember the word not to auxiliary verb or helping verbs. For example, am, is, are, was, were, to be. Now let's see the example. I am not going to Raipur. Here am. With am not is added. I do not like it. Here with do not is added. We are not happy. Here with are not is added, and hence these become negative sentences. Now let's see some single negative words. There are some negative words in grammar which defines the connotation of negativity or incorrectness. For example, first word is no. Now let's see its usage in the sentence. They had no idea. Then second word is nowhere. Nowhere. Now let's see its usage. He came from nowhere. And another word is neither. So let's see its usage. Neither of them came. Then nobody. Nobody came to visit me. Then nothing. There is nothing wrong. Then never. He never listens to me. Then none. None of us worked. So words such as no, nowhere, neither, nobody, nothing, never, none are single negative words which when used in the sentence makes the sentence totally negative. Okay, in grammar there are three ways to form a negative sentence. Now let's see the first way. The first way to form a negative sentence is by using not after the first word of the verb or contraction. Contraction means short form of not, nt, is added to helping verb. Example, I am not a joker. He is not coming. It is not very hot. He does not work on Sunday. They do not sell food. All these are example of negative sentences which have been formed by using not after the first word of the verb. The second, the contraction short form nt, the short form of not is nt, is also added to a helping verb to make a negative sentence. For example, there isn't much to say. We aren't ready. He wasn't busy. We don't like it. Now while using this method, we should always remember that we should not use two negative words in the same clause. For example, Ram wouldn't do nothing. This is wrong because there are two negative words. Wouldn't is also negative and nothing is also negative. So it is wrong. Either we should use wouldn't single time or nothing single time. Now let's see the second example. Nobody will not go. Again this is wrong because here two negative words are used, nobody and not. So we have to use either of them. Third example, we don't never eat there. Again, this is wrong because don't is negative word and never is negative word. So both two negatives cannot come in the same clause. Now, second method of making negative sentence. Making negative sentence by using but in the negative sense. When but, B-U-T, when but is used as an adverb, it has negative sense. It should not be accompanied by another negative word. So we can, now let's see, we can make negative sentence by using but this should be used as an adverb, then only it will have negative sense. And this but should not be accompanied with another negative word. That means two negative words with but are not allowed. Now let's see the example. She is but a child. I have but one friend. Do not use but with another. So now let's see another rule. Do not use but with another negative word while making negative sentence. Example, he wasn't but a child at the time. So it is wrong because here wasn't is used and but is used. Okay, third way. Making negative sentence by using words hardly, scarcely, barely. Example, she could barely walk. He could hardly understand. The town was scarcely populated. So here the negative sentences are made by using words such as hardly, scarcely, barely. These are negative words. Now again, we should remember that barely, hardly, scarcely words should not be used with another negative words. Now let's see few of the sentences here and practice them. Exercise. First, I will go to the market. So the answer will be I will not go to the market. It is very hot today. And answer will be it is not hot today or it isn't hot today. Next is they practice yoga. Answer is they don't practice yoga. Fourth, they will be attending party this year. Answer is they won't be attending party this year. Next, this is the way to Raipur. Answer, this isn't the way to Raipur. That's it for this lecture. And as we say, practice makes man perfect. Please practice making negative sentences from simple sentences. Thank you.